Jaod bura Siaya Christine Ombaka oseo sirikal oyi paro mar loro kuonde Jaod mag nyithind kiye pacho kae. Ombaka wacho ni chenro ni dwaro mbaka matut. Kabende omedo ni duoko nyithindo ne anyuola nyalo ketogi e pek mar ni moko kuomgi ne okale hinyruok e lwet anyuola gino manomiyo giyudore e kuonde mag Jaod go. Jaod bura no lose chenro mar chiwo chiemo gi thieth maonge chudo manobagi gi nyakalondo mar Ramogi kod Ramogi TV gi jochiwo mamoko e paw ka tiegruok mar KMTC e bura Siaya.
Innocent blood bleeding without a...
One of the children officers here said that the government is planning to close down the homes so that every child can now go home and enjoy the love of the family, so that these great institutions are not going to be there in future. I looked at it all and I said it may look good, but it has bad effect. Homes where children are growing today are in turmoil. Most homes are breaking up. Parents are fighting and killing one another, and they're killing the children. You wake up in the morning and a father has killed his wife, has killed a mother and 4 of their children. You wake up in the morning, a man and a wife are separating. Marriages are not lasting, homes are breaking, and there's a lot of violence in families. In fact, if you do your research properly, you will find that children who are mostly abused are abused in their families, by their fathers, by their uncles, by their brothers, and by their relatives. So when you close these homes that are giving children hope and protection and security, I don't know where our children will run to.